Hello everyone, welcome back. Um, Today we are not going to discuss any maths concept here, but we are going to discuss something which is as important as doing some maths concept, reviewing any topic. Uh, Before all your exams, you need to set your calculator in exam mode, your graphing calculator. Whether you are using Casio or TI or HP or Numwork, any calculator, you need to put that on exam mode. So today we will explore how to put a TI-Nspire series of graphing calculators in exam mode, which is also known as press to test mode. So to activate press to test mode in your graphing calculator, number one, turn your calculator off. When your calculator is turned off, keeping it off, press escape and on button or home button. So when the calculator is turned off, press the and hold down escape and home keys simultaneously until press to test screen is displayed. So when you keep pressing it, this screen will be displayed, where there will be restrictions like limit geometry function, disable functions, connect, grab and move. And if you see, you can scroll down to check what are different settings that should be disabled, or those are not allowed in IB exam. Now, if you just enter press to test, then what happens? All these are disabled, but you will be using some of these in your exam, some of these commands, some of these settings. So what do you need to do now? You have to select those restrictions. By default, all restrictions are selected. So if you enter press to test key, some important and permitted functions will be disabled, like nsolve, polyroot finder, logarithmic templates, summation functions, simultaneous equation solver, etc. These all will be disabled, and you won't be able to use them in exam. So before you enter press to test, you have to scroll down and check what are all the functions that has to be disabled. So this is a document from IB which suggests that these should be disabled, but inequality graphing, limit trigonometric functions, log template, summation functions, polynomial root finder, simultaneous equation solver, numerical solver and sliders. These should not be disabled because you will be using these in your examination. So make sure you click on these boxes to uncheck and then continue. So before entering press to test mode, scroll down and uncheck all allowed applications and functions individually. The handheld will reboot and confirm restrictions. Once it is done, select OK to continue to home screen. It will reboot, and when it takes you to home screen, then you will see this kind of home screen. You will see a lock here on your screen. Lock means you are in press to test mode. Also, you will see cache off. If you're using a cache calculator, cache should be disabled. If you're not using a cache calculator, you will not see cache off. But all other template or say information will be same on your screen, right? And just to cross check whether your calculator is in press to test mode or no, so you will see next to the charging point, here you will see that there is a light which is flashing. So it will be like something like this. So if you check this, if it is done, means you're all set for your exam and you're already in exam mode. So first thing, press escape and home button. It will take you to press to test mode screen. then check, uncheck all these things, and you are in press to test mode, right? Now, there is one more method to activate press to test mode in your graphing calculator. That is by using a text code. Now, what is this text code? For text code, we do similar process, but keys are different. So ensure that your handheld is turned off, turn it off. Second is, instead of pressing escape and home, that is escape and on key, you will press tab and on keys simultaneously till you see enter press to test code screen on your calculator screen, and that will look like this. Once you see this, you can release those buttons and you need to enter code. Now, what is your code? Your code is 00001790. This is for IB or restrictions. So once this press is there, press next and you are in press to test mode. Your computer, your calculator will reboot and it will take you to press to test mode. In press to test mode, using the text code, these are operations are restricted and all other are not. So if you compare it with the IB document, you see limit, geometry function, function and conic grab. So all these which are recommended by IB are disabled and others are not. So this is another way, easier way. I personally prefer activating press to test mode using the test code. So this is how we can quickly enter exam mode, and how to exit exam mode we will see in our next video. For press to test, that's all for now. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe it, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that if a new video is posted, you're the first one to be notified. That's all. Till we meet again, take good care.